go. A direction for you, they say you spray it under your armpits. It's under my armpits. Oh my god, like the smell. This Nigeria is very popular. Be friendly. Shut it down. Shut it down. Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. The reason why I'm actually excited is because I've always been wanting to get back to filming vlogs, and then I decided that I have to start this week. Like, I want to actually be filming vlog content, like be vlogging and all those stuff. When I started my YouTube channel, I actually do these stuffs like vlogging, but I stopped and I really want to get back to vlogging. So today I finally made the decision to do that. Today is actually Monday. Today is the 22nd of January, and this is currently 5 o'clock, 5:19. I'm sorry I'm starting the vlog on this note, but I just want to start this vlog on an introduction note that from today you guys should be expecting some vlog content from me. I think one of the reasons why I am not, like, I stopped vlogging is because I really do not know what to vlog about. Most of the time I spend most of my time at home. Let me quickly apply my lip gloss. I really like this lip gloss. It's super thick. It's so thick. Like, guys, can you see the way I'm sweating? Jesus, there is no light in my apartment. I am literally sweating. Oh my god, I literally forgot to put in my microphone. Can you imagine? I was so excited to start my vlog and I literally forgot to put in my microphone. This is my microphone, so let me just quickly plug in my microphone and then come back to this vlog. Guys, I'm literally sweating. I can't wait for this never people to bring lights, and this is even evening time. Okay, let's put in the microphone. Connected my microphone. I hope it's actually talking, but I've actually connected my microphone. So as I was saying, I think the reason why I did not start, like why I'm not vlogging again, is because I really do not know what to talk about in my vlog. My vlogs are like I don't go out. I'm mostly at home. Obviously you can tell from my background that I am also at home. So let me just tell you all what I did today. So presently I am filming. I'm scripting, not filming. Presently I am scripting for my next YouTube content. Okay, let me show you all my outfits for today. This is my black gown. I really love this gown so much, and I'm sorry if the lighting is going to be like kind of poor. It's just what it is. But this is the gown. I don't think it can go down, but yeah, the gown is actually long and I actually love the gown. So guys, I don't know, what do you want me to do in my vlogs? Like I said, I don't go out so much. I don't even know if I'm going to upload this vlog, but I will try to upload this vlog. So guys, what do you want me to be saying in my vlogs? Like, one of the things I've been thinking about is me just gisting, because I'm somebody that's I'm an introvert and at the same time I'm an extrovert. Like, I can actually stay on the camera and talk for hours. That is one thing about me, and there are a lot of funny things I can say, like in my vlogs, just be talking to you all, that you all are really going to laugh. Yes, there are things that stories I can actually bring up and tell you all. So do you want me to be saying funny things, like things that happen to me, things that happen in my environment, or things I watch online and all those stuff? I think my vlogs, I'm going to be talking too much and also showing you all like what I do in my day-to-day life. Like I said, please do not always expect me to be outside, because most of the time I am indoor. Yeah, most of the time I am indoor. I am already talking so much and this is almost 5 minutes, so I need to stop talking and get back to my work. But before I get back to my work, like, guys, just tell me what you want me to be doing in my vlogs, please. I really I've run out of option. Please just tell me what you need for me to be doing in my vlog, because the only thing that is coming to my head is just chatting gisting with you all and showing you all like basic things I do in my day-to-day life. So that's just the only thing that is coming to my head. I just want to show you all. I bought this thing today, this Dove Go Fresh moisturizing cream. I don't know if you all knows about this product. Like, I got it today and I tried out this product immediately. I got it and this product smells so good. You can see the price. I got this product for 3,800 naira. It smells so good. Like, let me even spray it again. Their direction for use, instead you spray it under your armpits. So let me just spray this under my armpits. Oh my god, like the smell is not choking. The smell is so relaxed. Can you see that the spray actually came into my nostrils? It's not choking at all. And my armpit smells so nice. And this one is not Go Dry, this one is like Go Fresh. So this is a very, very nice scent. I think this is the first product I'm talking about in my vlog. Like, also in my vlog I'll be showing you all some products that I just buy, like random products. It doesn't have to do with skincare and other stuff, just random products I buy that I actually like. So this is going to be the first product that I just got. This product today and I'm in love with the scent of this product. So this is what this product actually looks like. In case you want to buy yours, you can go and buy yours. So let me get back to scripting my YouTube videos because time is no more on my side again. Guys, this is just me basically showing you all my second TikTok account. I have like 2 TikTok accounts. Sorry, I'm supposed to be scripting my video, but I came to TikTok. I was doing some research on what I want to talk about, so I just said let me show you all my TikTok account. This is like my backup account. I have just 393 followers over here, but my main account I have about 9,000 plus followers. If you just want to see, like, let's say chill videos of me, you can just come here. Just put this one of my pinned video. This is an acting content of mine. I'm not going to
fucking hell, don't flirt with him. I'm not going to fucking hell.
Guys, I really like this accent. I don't know why. I just like the accent so much. Let me show you all. I'm just going to show you all the pinned contents. This Nigeria is very popular.
Be friendly.
On TikTok.
Girls take friendly as flirty. Shut it down.
Shut it down so fast.
Go on and say, babe. No, don't say babe. Ella, I'm being polite, but respectfully, I don't want you. Done. You can't be friendly. Girls take friendly as flirty. Shut it down.
Shut it down so fast.
Go on and say, babe. No, don't say babe. Ella, I'm being polite, but respectfully, I don't want you. Done.
Yo, let's get back to scripting videos. So guys, I'm done with my scripting, and then I think right now it is, as you can see, they've already brought the light. They actually brought this light by 6 o'clock, and this is 6:33 over here. This is 6:33. I need to, another thing again I want to do is to lose this my hair. This my hair is very, very rough. You see how rough this hair is. It is so rough. So yeah, let me just quickly arrange my space. Once I arrange my room, I will now go and do my hair. Let me turn on this light. I don't know, am I the only one that loves like when the room is dim? Like when I'm not working, I always love it when my room is very, very dim. But I guess you guys cannot see me very well, so let me turn on my lights. So I've on my lights. You can see it's a little bit brighter, and this is the light I turned on. That bulb there, that was light I turned on. Guys, how do you like my sticker? I really love, I'm obsessed like with all these stickers on my walls. I am very obsessed. You guys like my wall sticker? I don't even know, should I set, I think I would set this one, this other studio light that I have. So I'm done arranging my room. So right now it's time for me to use this hair. This hair is already, can you see how old this hair is? And besides, I made this hair myself. Yes, I made this hair myself. If you want to see the video, the tutorial on how I braided this hair, I'm going to leave the link to my TikTok page, my main TikTok page. So my main TikTok account, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You can follow the link to check out this hair. This is the hair I was telling you all about that I did. but I'm not going to show you all everything. Go to my page. You can either follow the link in my description box to my Instagram or my TikTok. I posted it on the 2 places. Guys, can you see how beautiful this makeup is? It's just 3 slides I posted, and this is the 3rd slide. I was one that did this makeup myself. This is vexing me. Scissors is not sharp at all. But what can I do? It's still sharp. Cutting something. Hey. Ooh. So guys, I'm done applying this stuff on my hair. Time to comb my hair. Guys, can you see how like freer the hair is now to comb? So if you're loosening your hair, I will really advise that you get this stuff. It really helps to like soften strong hair. Like, you know, when you braid your hair finish, when it's time for you to take it down, it really helps to like soften how hard the hair is to lose. So it's really nice. I'm just combing my hair like softly, gradually, because I don't want to use too much force to comb the hair. So guys, I'm done taking down my braids, so I need to go and shower now so that I can feel fresh. I need to shower.
was talking about it was just like crazy and just show it to where he stands because there's so many of their products.